1. Cultivation of coffee is confined to which of the following hills? A. Nilgiri, B. Aravalli, C. Shivalik, D. Chota Nagpur. In which type of soil does maize grow well? Black, B. Sandy soil, C. Old alluvial, D. None of the above. 3. Which of the following is an example of Kharif crop? A. Rice, B. Wheat, C. Gram, D. Peas. 4. The Bhutan Gramdan movement was initiated by A. Vinoba Bhave, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Pandit Nehru, D. R.C. Reddy. 5. Which are the two main beverage crops produced in India? A. Sugarcane and oilseeds, B. Tea and coffee, C. Jowar and bajra, D. Rice and wheat. 6. Which one of the following praise is announced by the government in support of a crop? A. Moderate support price, B. Maximum support price, C. Influential support price, D. Minimum support price. 7. Which one of the following rights has led to fragmentation of land holding size? A. Right to succession, B. Right to information, C. Right to inheritance, D. Right to land ceiling. 8. Which country is the largest producer of oil seeds in the world? A. China, B. India, C. USA, D. Pakistan. 9. Which one of the following crops is known as golden fiber? A. Wheat, B. Rice, C. Groundnut, D. Jute. 10. Which of the following crops is not a millet? A. Jowar, B. Maize, C. Ragi, D. Bajra. 11. Cultivation of fruits and vegetables is called A. Floriculture, B. Sericulture, C. Horticulture, D. Agriculture. 12. The rearing of silkworms for the production of silk fiber is known as A. Sericulture, B. Horticulture, C. Floriculture, D. Agriculture. 13. Hoe, dao, digging sticks are associated with A. Primitive subsistence farming, B. Commercial farming, C. Green revolution, D. Horticulture. 14. Arabica variety of coffee was initially brought to India from which of the following countries? A. Yemen, B. Vietnam, C. Japan, D. Korea. 15. Which among the following is a fiber crop? A. Rubber, B. Jute, C. Tomato, D. Coffee. 16. About 90% of rubber demand is met by A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Maharashtra. Which of the following oil seed is both a Kharif and Rabi crop? A. Groundnut, B. Mustard, C. Sesame, D. Soya bean. 18. Which state is the largest producer of groundnut? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Maharashtra, D. Andhra Pradesh. 19. Which of the following is cultivated between Rabi and Kharif season? A. Millets, B. Maize, C. Muskmelon, D. Coffee. 20. Which of the following is grown in rotation with other crops? A. Arhar, B. Moong, C. Sunflower, D. Groundnut. Answer the following questions. 1. Explain any 5 steps taken by the central and state governments to improve Indian agriculture after independence. 2. Describe the conditions required for the cultivation of tea. Name 2 major tea producing states of India. Name the 2 most important staple food crops in India. Mention the geographical conditions required for their growth. 4. Suggest any 5 measures to enhance the agricultural production in India. 5. Mention the geographical conditions required for the growth of cotton along with any 4 cotton producing states. 6. Distinguish between primitive subsistence farming and intensive subsistence farming. 7. Define plantation agriculture. Explain any 4 characteristics of plantation agriculture. 8. Wheat and rice farming in India are fairly different from each other. Support the statement with 5 suitable examples. And explain rice cultivation in India under the following heads: A. Temperature, B. Rainfall, C. Agricultural season, D. Major producing areas. 10. What is intensive subsistence farming? Write 3 features of intensive subsistence farming. 11. Write the geographical conditions required for the cultivation of rice and tea. 12. Explain any 5 characteristics of commercial farming in India. 13. Describe any 4 institutional reforms introduced by the Government of India in the interest of the farmers. 14. Agriculture and industry are complementary to each other. Justify the statement. 15. Why is the growth rate in agriculture decelerating? How did the Government of India make efforts to modernize agriculture? Explain.